two-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits find the number. Okay, this is what we are having as a question. Let's see how to frame the equation. Once we will be able to frame the equation, then we can use the method of substitution, method of elimination to find x and y value. But at first, the main job is to frame the equation. Okay, so how we will be framing the equation over here? Any idea, Arya?
We can take one of the digits as x and the other number as y.
Yeah.
And the first equation could be x plus y equals to 9.
Yeah.
And then x could be greater than y. No, wait, let me read again. Oh, so for the second one, maybe y is bigger than x over here. So 9x plus 9y. I'm not sure actually.
Okay, this type of question, how we can do this type of question? Let me give you few example at first. Okay, so suppose we are having a number, let's say 65. Can we write it as a 6 into 10 plus 5 into 1? Can we write it like this, Arya, in expanded form?
Yeah.
Okay, 6 is sitting at the tens place, 5 is sitting at the ones place, so we can write it like this in expanded form. We can write it 6 into 10 plus 5. Okay, let's say we are having 32. So in expanded form, can we write it as a 3 into 10 plus 2? Can we?
Yeah.
Yeah. If we are having 23, so in expanded form, can we write it as a 2 into 10 plus 3?
Yes.
Yes. You can see this 32 and 23, same digits are there in this two-digit number, but it depends upon the place value. Okay, so which digit is sitting at the ones place, which digit is sitting at the tens place, accordingly we will get the number. The number 23 and 32 is completely different number, right?
Yes.
However, the same digits are there. Here also 2 is there, 3 is there, there also 3 is there, 2 is there. Now let's get back to our question. Our question says the sum of the digits of two-digit number. Two-digit number is there. Okay, a two-digit number is there which we have to assume, because in the last part it is asking find the number. Number means find the two-digit number. Okay, find the two-digit number. So we have to assume a two-digit number. So we can assume a two-digit number, either xy, or we can take it as a yx. Now you must be clear that xy and yx are completely different scenario. Yes or no?
Yes.
Exactly. Because place value is different. So either we can assume xy or we can assume yx as our two-digit number. Let's take our 2-digit number as a xy. Let's take, okay. So now the first statement says that the sum of the digit of 2-digit number is 9. So x plus y is equals to 9. You said it correctly. It is perfect because we are assuming our 2-digit number as a xy. So sum of the digit, that means x plus y is equals to 9. Yeah, right? Now the next statement is confusing. So it says that the next statement says that also 9 times this number, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained. 9 times this number, which number? The number which we have taken in consideration. 9 times this number, 9 times this number is means is equals to, is equal to twice, means 2 times the number obtained by reversing the order. Now the number obtained by reversing the order, that means yx. Yes or no? Are you
Yes.
getting, Arya? 9 times this number, which number? The number which we have assumed a 2-digit number xy is equals to twice, that means 2 times the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits, order of the digits. What we are reversing? We are reversing the order of the digit. We are writing y at the place of x and we are writing x at the place of y. So xy became yx. Are you getting it?
Yes.
But have you seen any time equation like this, xy yx in the multiplication form? No. Our pair of linear equations so far which you have solved always look like x plus y is equals to something, x minus y is equals to something, 10x plus 10y. There is a coefficient of x, there is a coefficient of x, y also, but always it is in the form of addition and subtraction only, right? Not in the type, it's not in the form of multiplication, right, Arya?
Yes, ma'am.
So here we will get stuck. That's why I was explaining you that we can write xy, we can write this xy as a, what can be written at the place of xy, Arya? If 32 can be written as a 3 into 10 plus 2, 23 can be written as a 2 into 10 plus 3, then xy can be written as, can you tell me xy can be written as?
9x into y. No, 9x. No, 9 into x plus y into 1.
Why 9? This is 1's place, this is 10's place. So 10 into x, no? Why 9 into x?
Oh,
Getting?
yes.
The way we are writing 32 as a 3 into 10 plus 2. Same way we can write xy as a 10 into x plus y. That is
I
10x
thought it
plus
was
y.
9. I thought it was 9x because it's 9
Yeah, 9 we
times.
will multiply. Yes. 9, that 9 which is sitting outside, that we will take in consideration. But at first, can we write this xy like this? Can we?
Yes.
How can we write yx, Arya?
Um. 10y plus x.
10y plus 6. Let's write it. 10x plus y. 2 times 10y plus x. Why we are doing so? Why we are writing in expanded form? Because xy we have never seen in our equation. If we will write it in expanded form like this, it's the same thing. We are not changing anything. We are not doing any drastic change. We are just writing the same thing in other way, and then we will be getting a proper equation. Now we will be distributing this 9 and it will become Arya 90x. Then what else?
Plus 9y.
Yes. Now we will apply distributive property. It will be 90x plus 9y. On the other side, it will be 20y. plus 2x, and then x and x we can keep on one side, y and y also we can just do addition subtraction whatever is there. So 90x plus 9y, and that side we will be having 20y plus 2x. So eventually our equation will become, can you tell me what will be our next equation, Arya? When we will just collect all the x with x, y with y, then it will become,
We can take 2x to the other side. So it will become 90x minus 2y, which equals to 20y minus 9y. So which is 88y, which equals to 88x, which equals to 11y.
so we can write it as 88x minus 11y is equals to 0, right, Arya?
Yes.
Then we can take any common factor which can be taken over here.
11.
11. If we will take 11 as a common factor, then our equation will become
8x minus y equals to 0.
exactly. So basically it will become 8x minus y is equals to 0, right, Arya?
Yeah.
This is our equation number 2. This is x plus y is equals to 9 is our equation number 1. Okay, x plus y is equals to 9 is our equation number 1. Let's summarize everything till framing of this two equation. The sum of the digit of two digit number is 9. We have assumed a two digit number xy. We can also take a two digit number as a yx. Okay, at last our answer will be same. Okay, if you are assuming initially as a yx, then when you will reverse the order of the digit it will be xy, but at last our answer, our number will be same whatever you are taking the scenario. Okay, so here we are taking xy as a two digit number. First equation is sum of the digit is 9, x plus y is 9. That was very easy. Now the next statement is quite confusing. 9 times this number. Which number? The number which we have taken in consideration. 9 times this number is twice the number obtained. Is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. So 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. Now this x, y, y, x, we cannot go ahead with this one. We have to write it in the general form, the standard way which we are having the pair of linear equation till now. Okay, so we have written it in expanded form, that is 10x plus y. We have written this one also in the standard form, that is 10y plus x. In most of the cases in your book, everywhere you will see directly this step. But from where this step came out? This step exactly came out from the previous step only, that 9 times xy is equals to 2 times yx. Okay, we have written the standard form, we have just written the expanded form, and then we have just did the simplification. We got 8x minus y is equals to 0. Is it clear so far, Arya?
Yes, mom.
So whenever you will be having a two digit number, you can take it as a 10x plus y, or you can take it as a 10y plus x. Okay, either you
Okay.
can take it as a 10x plus y, that time you are assuming your number as a xy, or you can take it as a 10y plus x, that time you are assuming your number as a yx. Whatever you are taking, any scenario, your answer will be same at last. Okay, so we will always take anywhere wherever two digit number, the question says you to take two digit number, please take two digit number in this format. Okay, we got two equation. Now please solve it and let me know x and y value, Arya.
Okay, mom. is x? 9 by 7.
X you got
9 by 7.
-7. If we
9
will
by
apply,
7.
yeah, what you say, Daria?
9 by
9.
7.
X you got
The like 8x and x, like, don't we minus them?
are you applying the method of elimination or method of substitution?
Elimination.
So just by adding these two equation, we can see it is y and y is getting cancelled out. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
So 8x plus x is what?
But shouldn't it be my 8x? No. But like, shouldn't it be minus?
Okay, you wanna subtract it?
No, I didn't. No, I'm asking.
Like if you are thinking that we have to subtract it, please tell me. We will be checking it. Okay, whether it will
I
work or not.
subtracted it. I
Okay, let's
subtracted
subtract
it.
it. 8x minus y minus x plus y. Okay, let's do the subtraction. 8x minus y minus x minus y. Can you see, Arya? This y and y is not getting cancelled out. Let me help you to clear when we will be adding and when we will be subtracting. Let's say we are having both as a like this one, opposite sign. Both are having opposite sign. One is positive y, another is negative y. Can you see already it is getting cancelled out already? Like positive y
Yeah.
is there and negative y is there. In one of the equation we are having 8x minus y, and in another equation we are having 8x plus y. So one is negative y, positive y. Already it is getting cancelled out. Okay, when already it is getting cancelled out, then why we will take the subtraction sign? Because subtraction sign will always dominate. Okay, it will always reverse all the other signs. So when already it is making 0, elimination method means what? We have to eliminate. Elimination round is going on. That's what you must have heard from like any reality show or anything. Elimination round means removal round is going on. We have to remove any of the variable from here. This y and y, we have to remove it so that easily we can go ahead and we can calculate x value. Or either if x is possible, we will be removing the x variable. So any one of the variable we want to remove here, that's called elimination. Okay, now here y is there, y is there. One is positive, one is positive, another is negative. You see, one is negative, another is positive. When you will add it, no sign will change. Minus y plus this plus plus will remain plus only, plus y, and eventually we are getting 0. That means y getting eliminated.
Okay.
How y is getting eliminated? When we are adding. When we will add it? When both already both are having opposite sign, then always we have to add it, because addition will not change any sign. Suppose we are having in one of the equation, you are writing x plus y at first, and 8x minus y you are writing afterward. Okay, let's see. Plus y from the first equation and this minus y from the other equation, if you will add them, then this plus minus sign will be minus sign, plus minus minus, so this will be negative y. The first one is positive y, still it is 0. So are you getting me? If already you are having the opposite sign, then you have to add them so that they will make 0, they will get eliminated. Getting it?
Yes, mom. But like, what about like 8x and x? So like, that time. So how will I know if I have to, like, they both are positive values, right? So that time, how will I know I should add it or subtract it?
Now 8x and x, even if we will add them, see Arya, if you will add them, it will be 9x, not eliminated. Eliminated means to make 0. If you will subtract them, 7x, not eliminated. So this elimination method says first make the coefficient same. If this is 8, other one also has to be 8x. If it is not, make it. So if you are having this type of equation, 2x plus 3y is equals to 7. Here 4x plus y is equals to 10. If this type of equation you are having, then you have to make either x coefficient same, either both should be 4x 4x or 2x 2x, or you have to make y coefficient same. Then you will be thinking about adding or subtracting. So first make the coefficient same, because you can only work with the same coefficient, like 4x and 4x will be there, then only we can think about adding it or subtracting it to make 0. If 2x and 2x is there, then only we will think about adding and subtracting to make it 0. Okay, now we cannot think about adding and subtracting. So the first method to solve this equation by elimination method is to, let me write both the methods, both the possible cases. Okay, either we can do the multiplication, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So what we can do, we can multiply equation 1 by 2. Why? Because I want to make this as a 4. How can we do so? If we will multiply this 2x by 2, we will be getting 4x. Then we will be having 4x, 4x, and we can do the cancellation. Yes or no?
Yes.
So let's multiply equation 1 by 2. Multiply equation 1 by 2. We will be having equation 1 became 4x. Equation 1 became 4x plus 6y is equals to 14. This 2 we have to multiply with each and every term. Okay, Arya?
Yes.
This is our new equation 1, which can be named as a equation 3. Okay. Equation 2 is still same. 4x plus y is equals to 10. This is equation number 2. Now we will be thinking about adding or subtracting. Here we are having 4x, here we are having 4x. When both are having same sign, then we have to subtract it. When both are having same sign, when both are positive, then we have to subtract them to make 0. When both are same sign, again I would repeat, when both are same sign, if you are having minus 4x, then minus 4x, you have to subtract it, so that this minus minus will become plus 4x here, and here minus 4x, and eventually it will make 0. So what I am saying, when same sign is there, either both are positive or both are negative, you have to subtract them, because subtraction sign will reverse the sign, will dominate whatever sign is there. You want to change them, because now minus 4x and minus 4x is not making 0, right? So you want to change anything, right? When you want to change the sign, you have to do the subtraction in between.
Okay.
When both are positive, when both are negative, you have to do the subtraction. Okay, and when both are already opposite sign, one is positive, another is negative, you have to do the addition. Are you getting, Arya? Are you there?
Yes, mom.
Yes, Aisha. uh,
Yes, ma'am.
you was also there in the previous class, no, Aisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Today have you joined in the previous class?
Yes, ma'am.
So you are in that batch or this batch?
Ma'am, I don't understand.
Today have you joined one, like, at what time? At 6:30 have you joined IST?
No, no. I have joined at 7 o'clock.
Just a moment, no, let me check, because we are discussing the same concept over here. Today have you joined with me, Aisha? No, no.
Ma'am, at what time?
Today, have you joined with me in other class?
No, ma'am.
Okay, sorry. I just got confused. Okay. So, what I am explaining here, that first thing first, for elimination method, Aisha and Arya. First thing first, for elimination method, both the coefficient has to be same. Then we will think about adding or subtracting. When both are already positive, we can see that when we will subtract 4x minus 4x, when we will do, then it will make 0. Okay, so here we will be doing the subtraction. This is one of the way of solving it. Subtraction means we will be doing the subtraction carefully. We have to write the whole equation like this: 4x plus 6y, the first equation, minus 4x plus y, the second equation, the first equation 14 minus the second equation 10. This is how we have to do the subtraction. 4x plus 6y, and this minus sign will change each and every sign. So it will become minus 4x minus y is equals to 4. Okay, 4x gone, 6y minus y is 5y is equals to 4 we got. So this is how we are getting our y value, that is 4 by 5. Okay, is it clear so far?
Yes, mom.
Arya and Aisha.
Yes, mom.
Okay, now I was talking about one more way is there to do it. Either we can make x coefficient same, or we can make y coefficient same. So we can also go ahead initially by making the y coefficient same, if that is possible. So see, that is also possible over here. Always it will not be possible, but here it is possible. Is it possible to make this 3y as a y? No, we have to do the division, and that will make all the other number as a fraction, that we are not going to do. Is it possible to make y as a 3y? Yes, that we can do. We can make this y, the second equation's y, as a 3y. How? By doing the multiplication with 3 in the other equation, right? So the next equation will become 4 3 times 12x plus 3y, 12x plus 3y is equals to 30. This is our new equation. This is the other way of solving it. That was one of the way. After getting y value, you can substitute it in any of the equation to get the x value. This is just the other way of doing it. Maybe you are doing by using the first way, you are making the x coefficient same, and your one of the friend Arya, Aisha, is doing by using this way. The other friend of yours is making the y coefficient same. They are making it 3y. They are cancelling it by doing the subtraction again, because both are having the same sign. Same sign means we have to do the subtraction, and then they are finding the x value. Okay, once they are getting the x value, they are just, you have, what you have to do, you have to substitute it in any one of the equation to get the y value. So we got 3y. Our new equation number 3 is, our first equation is 2x plus 3y is equals to 7, and the second equation is 12x, or we can say the third equation is 12x plus 3y is equals to 30. Okay, let's do the subtraction. We have to subtract this two equation. Better write it: 2x plus 3y minus 12x plus 3y is equals to 7 minus 30. Okay, now open the bracket, do the subtraction. 3y will get cancelled out. 2x minus 12x you will be having on this side, and the other side will be 7 minus 30, which will be minus 23. So basically I just want to show you how to proceed with the elimination method. Is it making sense to both of you,
Yes,
Arya
mom.
and Aisha?
Yes.
Either we can make the x coefficient same, or we can make the y coefficient same. If any of the coefficient is already same, we are not going to waste our time. If it is like this, x plus 10y is equals to 20, x minus 5y is equals to 30. If already one of the coefficient is already same, we are not going to waste our time by making the other coefficient same. Here already we are having a ready-made proper equation. We just have to think about either adding this two equation or subtracting this two equation. Are you getting it? Please let me know,
Yes.
Arya, whether we have to add this two equation or subtract those two equation.
Subtract.
Subtract. Okay, perfect. If we are having 5x plus y is equals to 30, 2x minus y is equals to 20. Aisha, what can be done over here?
I think to
Subtract to eliminate what? X or y?
y.
Y. Do we need to subtract, Aisha? Check it carefully.
Okay.
If you will subtract plus y, you will subtract minus y from here. Will it make 0? Elimination
No.
method means to remove any one of the variable. Eliminate it. Eliminate any one of the variable.
So we have to add.
Getting it? Aisha, when the sign, we are having opposite sign, then we have to add them. When already opposite sign are there, then you have to add them. What about this case? Let's say we are having 2x minus y is equals to 30. 3x minus y is equals to 40. Yes, Aisha and Arya. Are we going to add this 2 or subtract this 2?
Subtract.
Subtract. Arya?
Y we will subtract.
Okay. Are we going to subtract it? Let's check. Minus y, minus of minus y. Yes. We have to subtract them. So the conclusion is when same sign is there, either both are negative or both are positive, just like this, then we have to do the subtraction. When opposite sign is there, like this one is positive, another is negative, we have to add them. But before that, we will always see the coefficient is same or not. If any of the coefficient is not same, we have to make the coefficient same. You will also be having this type of equation 2x plus 8y is equals to 5. And the other equation will be 4x plus 7y is equals to 10. Which coefficient we have to make same over here? Aisha and Arya.
We can make
I think so 8y
X
and 7y.
same.
Yes, Aisha, what you said?
I think so we can make 8y and 7y.
Okay. Yes, Arya, what you said?
I said we can make X same by multiplying 2 with the first one.
Exactly. Yes, Aisha, if we will try making the y, 8y and 7y same, see, if we want to make this 8 as a 7, is it possible? What should be multiplied with 8 to get 7? Not possible, right? What
Yes,
should be multiplied with 7 to get 8? Not possible.
not
Okay, this type of scenario also we will discuss, but for now I want to see carefully that 2x is there, 4x is there. Easily we can make this 2x as a 4x. How? By doing multiplication with 2. If we will multiply equation 1 with 2, we will get 4x over here. Yes or no? Yes or no,
Yes, mom.
Aisha? Okay, we will get 4x. So why to just go ahead and check with 8y, 7y, which is not possible. We will be looking at this 2x and 4x. This type of scenario also we will be getting 8x 7y, 8y 7y. I am showing you 3x plus 2y is equals to 10. 2x plus 3y is equals to 20. Now tell me which coefficient we need to make same. Whenever we are having this type of scenario and the instruction is clearly to solve it by elimination method, what we will do, listen to me carefully. Either we will make x coefficient same, either, or we will make y coefficient same. In by doing any one of them, same effort we have to apply. So anyone just pick it. Suppose we are going to make x coefficient same. This is 3x, this is 2x. So what we will do? What is the LCM of 3 and 2? 6, right?
Yes.
We will try making it 6. We will try making it 6. What we will do? We will multiply this equation by 2. We will multiply this equation by 3. More effort we have to give, and that is the only way when we are supposed to use the elimination method, because no other one will, or the other one also requires the same effort. So any way we can do it. So if we will multiply our equation 1 by 2 and 2 by 3, what we will be getting? We are going to get equation 1 will become, please tell me, Aisha and Arya, equation 1 will become, if we have to multiply equation 1 by 2, it will become
6x plus 4y equals to 20.
and equation 2 will become
6x plus 9y equals to 60.
Are you getting Aisha?
Yes.
Aisha, are you there? Are you getting my point, Aisha?
Yes.
Okay, I am saying that here we want to make 3 as a 2. Not possible. The table of 3 doesn't contain 2. So whatever we will multiply with 3, getting 2 is not possible. In the next one, we want to make this 2 as a 3. Whatever we will multiply with this 2, making it 3 is not possible. So we came to one conclusion. Let's check for y. The same thing we have to do. We will not be able to do anything, multiply anything with this 2y, the rectangular box one, this 2y to make it 3y. It is not possible. So we have chosen, okay, let's make x coefficient same. You can also take, let's make y coefficient same. You can also start with that. Okay. What is the conclusion we came to? We decided that, okay, the LCM of 3 and 2, we are talking about this 3 and 2. Okay. This yellow one and this yellow one. The LCM of this 3 and 2 is 6. So we, rather than making 3 as a 2 or 2 as a 3, we are trying to make the first 3x as a 6x now, and the next 2x as a 6x as per the LCM. Okay. For that we have to multiply equation 1 by 2, right Aisha,
Yes.
and equation 2 by 3. Are you getting my point, Aisha? We are having
Yes.
equation 1 as 3x plus 2y is equals to 10. Equation 2 as 2x plus 3y is equals to 20. If I want to make this one as a 6x, what we have to multiply here? Can you tell me, Aisha?
We can multiply 2.
Exactly. If I want to make this 2, the circled one, as a 6x, what should be multiplied here?
3.
3. And when we will multiply, are we going to this one, the curly bracket one, which I have just pointed? Are we
Yes.
going to get this one? Yes. Now We have made one of the coefficients same. Now we will think about adding this two equation, either adding this two equation or subtracting. Please tell me, Aisha, whether we have to add this two equation or subtract it.
We can subtract it.
Arya, do we have to subtract it?
Yes.
Exactly. We have to subtract it. So how we will be subtracting? Equation 1 minus 2 you can do, or equation 2 minus 1 you can do, your choice. 6x plus 4y minus 6x plus 9y is equals to 20 minus 60. This is how we can write. Okay. Once we will open the bracket, it will become 6x plus 4y minus 6x minus 9y. Be careful. 20 minus 60 is what?
Minus 40.
Can you see? Minus 6x plus 6x. Elimination round is going on and someone got eliminated today.
Yes.
Can you see it? That's why the name is elimination method. Okay. We have to eliminate either x variable or y variable. Okay. What about 4y minus 9y? Aisha, 4y minus 9y is what?
Minus 5y.
Plus 5y minus 5y. Y will be
Y will be 8.
8. We got y as a 8. We can substitute this y value in any one of the equation, either 3, 4 or 1, 2 also. So we have got y as a 8. We can substitute y as a 8 in this equation. 3x plus 2 into y is 8 is equals to 10. Okay. From here we will be able to take out the x value. Please take it out, Arya and Aisha.
Can you repeat what you just said?
I said find the x value from here. We
Oh,
have
okay.
substituted y value. Please find x value.
Ma'am, x value is minus 2.
Is it so, Arya?
Yes.
Okay, let me check. Yeah, x is minus 2. So this was all the possible cases of elimination method. Now please let me know whether it is crystal clear to you, both of you or not. Elimination method.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now one question is there. I'm taking this question. We need a few minutes like to for the explanation of this one. However, I am giving you the hint how to solve this type of question. Please do try. Let me write the question first. It is from your exercise only. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. He asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. To solve this question, you can just mark it in your book that this is the particular question you have to do. Okay. However, to solve this question, you must have the understand. You must be clear with this concept that when we are having rupees 50 notes, let me take, we are having five notes. Number of note is 5, which is of rupees 50 denomination. Okay, and there are 15 notes which is having each 100 rupee note. So can you tell me total what is the amount I am having in my wallet? Suppose I am having 5 notes of rupees 50 and 15 notes of rupees 100. So total what is the amount I am having in my wallet?
250 plus 1500.
Yeah, what?
250 plus 1500 total.
250 plus 1500. Is it so, Arya?
So 1750 total
Is it
amount.
so, Arya? Yes, it is so. 5 note each having 50 rupees. Each note is of 50 rupees. That means 50 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 50 rupee note. How many times? 5 times. So basically we can do the multiplication. 5 into 50. That will be the total amount. Okay. Plus 15 notes are there which is of rupees 100 denomination. So 1500 rupees from here and 250 rupees from here. So total 1750. This is the total amount is there in my wallet. Are you getting it?
Yes,
Mom, can you hear me now?
Yes, I am explaining that suppose you are having three notes of rupees 50 and 5 notes of rupees 100. Then total what amount we are having. So rather than
so 150
counting
plus
three,
500.
yeah, what?
150 plus 500.
Yeah,
So 650.
150 plus 500. How we will be doing the calculation, Arya? 3 note we are having, no? So we will be doing 3 into 50. That means total 150 rupees we are having over here. Okay, and 5 notes we are having of rupees 100. So total 5 into 100, that means 500 rupees we are having over here. So 500 and 150, that means 650 rupees we are having in total. Are you getting, Arya?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, so rather than counting it like this, the 3 note of rupees 50 plus 50 plus 50 rupees notes, so 3 note must be making 100 plus 50, that means 150. Rather than counting it like this, we can count it by doing the multiplication. 3 note each of one, each having denomination 50, that means 3 into 50, that is the total amount. 5 note 100 rupees, that means 5 into 100, total amount from there is 500. Now overall total amount is 150 plus 500, that is 650. Clear? This concept we
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
use while solving this question. Because the
I
person is
found that.
having find how many note of rupees 50 and 100. So maybe there are X notes which is of 50 rupees. There are total Y